People who worked in a car repair shop, who was your worst customer? I had this one guy who always tried to argue the bill after the job was done and wanted me to cut the price in half. After he repeated that 5 times, I had enough and decided that he needed to be put in his place. He wanted a new state-of-the-art exhaust system installed in his pickup truck. I knew he was going to pull what he always did, so as I installed the pipes, I welded a cap over the mufflers. Then I drilled a 1-inch hole in the center of the cap. This was going to severely restrict the flow and cut the power in half, which is exactly what I wanted. After I finished with the tailpipes, sure enough, the guy comes over and starts arguing about the bill, wanting a discount. I called him a loyal customer and gave him a $100 discount. A few days later, he came back complaining about the lack of power and constant backfires. I told him I can easily fix it for him for $150, turning a $50 profit for myself. Ever since then, he went from being annoying to someone I looked forward to servicing, although sadly he caught on after the 23rd time and stopped coming back.